Harsha and meet our newest addition. So this is Munchkin. So I got Munchkin when she was around 2 to 4 months old, and I actually got her just a week ago. And as you can see, she is fully tamed. So not all birds will be this tame when they first come to you. In fact, Kiwi was very scared when she came to me, and it took me more than 2 months to tame her. So Munchkin is a budgie, an Australian budgie, but she is a clear wing. So as you can see, she doesn't have stripes on her wings like Kiwi does, because Kiwi is a normal budgie, but still adorable. And Munchkin is a fancy clear wing. So now I'm going to be telling you guys a little bit about how I even found her. So I was originally looking for any sort of budgie, but I was preferring a rainbow budgie. Rainbow budgies are these budgies that have a beautiful color, and they're actually like a switched color, if you get what I mean. Because normally blue budgies would have a white head, not a yellow head, and a green budgie would have a yellow head. So this is like a rainbow budgie because it's switched. But then I actually found a free cockatiel, and cockatiels can live with budgies under some conditions. So I was just so surprised, and then I moved, and then I wanted a cockatiel. The prices were a bit above our budget, so we moved back to budgies. And that's when I found little Munchkin, and she was just so cute, and I just forgot all about rainbow budgies and just got her. Now I'm just going to be showing you how adorable she is. No, this is for Munchkin. Munchkin, no, not eating like pasta, and if you didn't know, pasta is actually bird safe, so they can eat it, and this is just an occasional treat.